Do you ever find yourself caught in the endless loop of decision making? The never-ending rumination that leaves you feeling stuck, unsure of what to do? Many of us struggle to tap into our gut feeling. Let's use future simulation to overcome this analysis paralysis and finally choose an option. Hey there, great to see you. My name is Ava, Head of Content at FlowLab, and I'm happy you found your way back to the FlowLab channel where we discuss psychology, mental fitness, and flow states. Picture this. You find yourself standing at the crossroads of a decision. Your mind becomes a swirling vortex of ruminations, what-ifs, and conflicting emotions. It's as if you're staring at a complex puzzle with countless interlocking pieces, each representing a different option or consequence. You desperately seek clarity, but the more you try to solve this mental puzzle, weighing the pros and cons or talking it through with friends, the more entangled it becomes. This can be anything from a major life decision to the question of what to eat for dinner. You just can't tell what this mysterious gut feeling is. Today, I want to share a technique with you that can help you get more clarity and find out which option feels best. Maybe you're facing a fork in the road right now, then this is an opportunity to follow along and do this exercise while I explain how it works. First, identify all options in front of you. From taking action to maintaining the status quo, there are different paths to consider. Some may come with clear, predictable consequences, others may involve more risk-taking and cloudy outcomes. Then, envision a specific point in the future, whether it's 3, 6, or 12 months from now, or even just a couple of hours after dinner. Next, make a choice. It doesn't matter which option you pick initially, because what you do next is to close your eyes and transport yourself to that future moment. Imagine living with the consequences of your decision. What has changed? Visualize your life and pay attention to how you feel. Really zoom in. Do you feel a surge of empowerment coursing through your veins? A profound calmness within? Or does frustration bubble up? A feeling of discomfort or uneasiness? Really put yourself in the shoes of future you. Get out of your head and instead become aware of your physical sensation. Is there a gentle tug of tension? Or the subtle release of relief? Perhaps a burdening weight on your shoulders? Or do you feel energetic, excited, a deep sense of relaxation, or a feeling of lightness in the body? When your mind is spinning like a tornado, your thoughts can easily overshadow your emotions. This technique enhances your self-awareness by bringing your subconscious feelings and physical sensations to the forefront. You may think, well, but I cannot predict the future. I don't know how I will feel. And yeah, you're correct. But the purpose of this technique is not an exact prediction of your emotions or the outcomes of a decision, but rather to guide decision making with the information available right now. You never know how things will turn out. So the only thing you can do is to leverage the available information and circumstances to make choices that are grounded in your current understanding and align with your authentic self. With this future simulation, you become more aware of the various factors at play and become more attuned to your own needs, desires, and values. Even though predictions about future emotions may not always be accurate, this technique can help you tune into your intuitive gut feelings and give you insights that may not be immediately apparent through rational analysis alone. You'll reduce both impulsiveness and overthinking and get closer to a final decision. Give it a try and let me know how it works in the comments below. If you're still watching right now, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We highly appreciate your support. Also have a go at our mental fitness app where you can train self-awareness, emotion regulation, and mental clarity with science-based guided meditations. There's a 7-day free trial and a 50% discount code off the yearly waiting for you in the description below. Check it out and have an amazing day. I'll see you next time.